Hi students, welcome back. In the last class, we had discussed about our second chapter, parallel lines. Today, we are going to discuss parallels and angles. Shall we start our class? Okay. Students, look at this figure. Here, A and B are two parallel lines cut by another line, which is line C. And this line is called transversal. So, transversal is a line that intersects two or more other lines. So, when a line cuts across a pair of parallel lines, 8 angles are formed. Let's learn in detail. First of all, placing the ruler on the paper and draw a line along its upper side. Without changing the position of the ruler, we will draw a line along the lower side. This will give us two parallel lines, that is L and M. So the lines L and M are parallel. Then draw a transversal which cut the lines. Okay. Here, how many angles are formed? Yes, 8 angles are formed. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7 and angle 8. Okay. Let's find the measure of angle 6 using a protractor. Place the protractor here and measure the angle 6. So, the measure of angle 6 is 70 degree. Okay. Next, we have to find the measure of angle 2. Place the protractor here and measure the angle 2. The measure of angle 2 is 70 degrees. Okay. In the figure, angle 2 and angle 3 are vertically opposite. So, angle 3 is equal to 70 degrees. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Similarly, angle 6 and angle 7 are also vertically opposite. So, angle 7 is equal to 70 degrees. We know that angle 1 and angle 2 are linear pair. So, angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 70, which is equal to 110 degrees. Then angle 1 and angle 4 are vertically opposite. So angle 4 is equal to 110 degrees. Similarly, angle 5 is equal to 110 degrees because angle 5 and angle 6 are linear pair. Then angle 8 and angle 5 are vertically opposite. So angle 8 is equal to 110 degrees. Okay. So when a line cuts across a pair of parallel lines, 8 angles are formed. Next, we have to learn what are the different types of angles formed when a line cuts across a pair of parallel lines. First one, corresponding angles. In the figure, the bottom line makes 4 angles and the top line makes another 4 angles with the line cutting across them. Here, angle 2 and angle 6 are equal, 70 degrees. These two angles are known as corresponding angles. Similarly, angle 4 and angle 8 are also on the same side of the transversal and are equal. So, angle 4 and angle 8 are known as corresponding angles. On the right side of the transversal, there are 4 angles. Angle 2 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 8. These are known as corresponding angles. Similarly, on the left side of the transversal, angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles and are equal. Angle 3 and angle 7 are also corresponding angles and are equal. Here, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 8, angle 1 and angle 5 and angle 3 and angle 7 are corresponding angles. So, when two parallel lines cut by a transversal, corresponding angles are equal. There are 4 pairs of corresponding angles. So, we can conclude that corresponding angles are the angles which are formed in matching corners or corresponding corners with the transversal when two parallel lines are intersected by any other line. Okay? These are the corresponding angles on the same side of the transversal. Okay children, today's class is over. Thank you.